Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kindle book and sell it on Amazon. So first things first, what are Kindle books? So Kindle books can be found in Amazon. So I'm going to just try typing here, Kindle books right there. And you're going to see a lot of books here. Alright? So for this one right here, if you want to sell these kinds of books in Amazon, you're going to need to have a specific account, which I'm going to show you later on. But for now, let's scroll down here on the left side so you can see how to really filter them. On the upper left section, you're going to see the departments, the books, the accessibility, the word-wise, the customer reviews, book language, and this is where we need. This is the Kindle Unlimited versions. So if I click on Kindle Edition right there, these are going to be Kindle books. Alright? So moving forward, everything here are going to be related to Kindle. If you choose one book here, for example, this Hidden Nature Kindle Edition gives you the option to make it into a Kindle book edition. Now, if you're wondering how to create this one, you need to have this exact website, the Kindle Amazon Direct Publishing, or we call it KDP. So this is going to be the account itself. So to go here, basically open up a new tab right there, type there Amazon KDP. The first website that's going to release is going to be the one you're looking for. However, there are going to be a lot of fake websites right there, same like this one right here, that one right there, and so on and so forth. So how can you secure yourself on fake websites? This is going to be another bonus just to give you a heads up. So that would be NordVPN checker. So this one right here, a link checker. I'm going to go back there and, for example, just grab a random link here. I'm going to go for this one. Click on copy link. So basically, I'm going to ask Nord to check that link and let me know if it's going to be safe to use or malicious activities inside it. So I didn't have to click it right there. Now, once that's completed, I'm going to go back on KDP right here. So you're going to see the books I've created for sample purposes. This one right here. It's actually right now on draft because I need to finish setting up my account to fully publish it to the public and sell it. And now, if you're wondering how did I log in with Kindle, I've just used my Amazon account with this one, so make sure you're logged in to Amazon first before opening up Kindle, because it will redirect itself inside once you have Amazon logged in on the background. So whatever you publish here will go straightly to your Amazon account, or Amazon store rather, and you can see right there. So how to get started? There is going to be a big create button right there, so let's just click create right here and wait for it to load up. So Kindle KDP Publishing will ask you what kind of things are you looking for. So if you're not really familiar, there is a learn about publishing process right there. So after choosing your format, you'll enter the product details. When submitted for publication, we'll review your content and let you know when it's live on Amazon. Usually that takes around 2 weeks. And 3, if you haven't already, go to your account, fill in your bank and taxing info so you can get paid. So this is the process I haven't done yet because I just want to let you know and show you how to create a Kindle book that you can sell, of course, in Amazon. Now choose a product. I'm going to go for Kindle book right here, or ebook. Click right there and it will open up the Kindle book builder. First things first, of course, you're going to choose the language of your book. I'm going to go for English. The book title, I'm going to go this in sample 1, 2, 3, just for sample purposes. Subtitle, that's going to be optional. It's depending on your end, so I'm going to leave it as blank for now. Now for the series. So if your book is a part of a series, eventually will be, for example, book 1, book 2, book 3, and so on and so forth, you can add the series now. And then KDP will release it depending on when you want to release it. So the process of creating is only once, but the releasing is going to be on deferred processes. It's going to be depending on you guys. And then the edition number for this one, the edition number tells readers whether the book is original, of course, or updated version. So what counts as a new edition? Each time you make a significant changes to your book, for example, updating the author name, it is considered a new edition already. So you can enter the edition number here, for example, since this is your book 1, it's advisable to enter 1. Now author, since author is going to be you, put your name here. Let's just say I'm going to go for Anthony. Right there, and Stark, for example. Contributors, if you have another people or person helping you guys, You can add it right there, maybe editor, forward, illustrator, and so on and so forth. Or you can just basically remove it right here. With one click of a button, that thing will be removed after we save it. Now, description. So summarize this book. This will be your product description in Amazon. Take note, so customer will see what's inside there. So description is going to be like this one. Let me just go back. So description will be like this, where you can see what's going to be a preview of your book. So make sure you enter things there. For now, I'm just going to enter sample description, just for sample purposes, where you can edit, italize, numberize, bulletize, and so on and so forth. Alright? Now, publishing rights, you of course need to own the copyright version, or if you want to make it public, the domain. The options right there, explanations are going to be right here, if you're not familiar. For primary audiences, sexually explicit titles or images, I'm going to put no there. Reading age, if you want to have a specific age, I'm going to retain as it is. Primary marketplace, this is important. Make sure you select Amazon.com or whatever you're using on your end, if you have UK, if you have California, Australia, and so on and so forth. Now, categories. This is actually really important. I'm just going to do a sample here. I'm going to go for history. And then for keywords. So keywords affect your book for searches. For example, a person here search for, let's just say, superhero book. Now that exact keyword will bring him or her a superhero book. Your keywords will declare or determine how much people or audiences see your book. So make sure you've learned and studied these parts right there. Now pre-order if you're ready to release or make your Kindle book available for pre-order, depending on you guys. Now, after that, just review where you work. Of course, next one, make sure to save and continue. Wait for it to load up. As you can see, it's going to be done. And now for step 2, it will ask for a cover. What I love about KDP is it has a cover creator, wherein you can launch your cover creator right there if you don't have a specific cover ready to be used. Alright? So for example right here, I can just choose a sample cover. I'm going to go with this one. Click save. I think I really love this one. And then once done with this, I can click on preview right here. Wait for it to finish loading up. It's just like a very easy to use, very quick builder. Save and submit. Now it's right now going to the Amazon KDP. And right now the product cover has been uploaded successfully. Now, AI generated content, this is actually new. So Amazon's collecting information about the use of AI in creating content. Do you use AI tools in creating text, images, or translations in your book? So depending on the user, I'm going to put no here. And then preview, you can do this one, but as of now, you don't have it downloaded. ISBN, this is going to be optional. Accessible features, this is also going to be optional. And basically, save and continue for the pricing. Now, for the pricing to work, you need to finish setting up your account up to the ones where tax and banks are involved. So that's going to be one last step for you guys to go through. That's just going to be your personal information. So I'm going to save it to you guys for that part. All right? Of course, we cannot forget our manuscript. So KDP will alert us if we forgot something. So upload your manuscript right there and have some fun with it. They accept Word document. They also accept a lot of files here. If you don't know what are KPF files, click on that one, and these are going to be the documents that they accept. So once done, once uploaded, it will go straight to Amazon.com to your account, and whatever people buy it, it will go straight to the bank you have linked to Kindle. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.